this is the cage, and I'll be working today. You guys can see that is all rusted. Yeah, well, I don't mean rusted, it's a stainless steel. I mean, that cage was probably near to some water sprinkling. Wild water sprinkled and got all rusted like that. So I am going to see what can I do to make this cage looks better for my birds. So we already fixed at the back. Yeah, it's raining today. Great day to work. At least it's not so hot. So here, the previous owner had a nesty box for his hyacinth. Yeah, that was used to be for 2 hyacinths that he was breeding. So the cage is this opening. He destroyed the bars, so we kind of have fixed it for now. I can't wait to have the birds inside. As you guys can see, the cage is good. It's not bad. Just that outside that is really not looking nice, but we'll see how I can make this look better. Okay, here's what I'm gonna use today on my cleaning project. I use a portion of the CLR calcium rust remover. I'll have a pumping, and I have hot water. So I'll mix this and then we'll put it on the cage for like maybe 5 minutes. Not too much, but I'm pretty sure I will have to clean it very much with the brush washer after, so I don't want any residues of that product in the cage before I have my birds inside. So it's very important that you guys clean very much the cage before or after doing this process. So here's my my solution. Now close it. Well, I got the cloths for my project, but I forgot to check the size, and they're large, so they look kind of funny. But let's go. Let's start and have fun. I passed the first process. I did one time the solution with water, hot water, and now after I pressure washer, that's not a bird, but it's still coming out of the cage. And still, let's see, this is some kind of brush I'm using. So, as you guys can see, it is coming out. You can see the dust yellow. That looks like it's gonna take me months to do it. but I am going to try to start and polish this section here with a steel wool grade number 3. It is actually showing some progress. Get the phone and see how it's looking awesome. Damn it, my hand is so dirty. Okay guys, I don't have any handman or cameraman with me, so here it's the bar. You guys can see it's coming out. I'm gonna show my second tool I'm gonna use now to continue polish the cage. You see, like all this rusting thing here. You see this one? It was like this. So I'll show you my secret. First day polishing the cage. Looks really awesome. But it's too, if you guys see on the side, you can see that there's still a lot of yellow spots on the bars, especially the bottom ones. So I'm gonna have to do it again. And I guess I was so tired already. So trying to find toys for Sunshine. Cage. Yeah, we're gonna get all her new toys and set up her aviary today. And I'll finish a small bird's aviaries too. This is cool, huh? Look at this, bird tricks. This is really nice toy. Okay, guys, yeah, we got a job. We're gonna try to put all these toys inside her cage. Come on, Sunshine. Can I go inside your house? Are you okay? Okay, I'm gonna get in. All right. Okay. Let me get the toys here first. So we're gonna start with this big one here. This giant one. Did you like that? Look how cool is that, Sunshine? So I know exactly where it's gonna go. In that corner over there. That'll be perfect. Come on, Sunshine! Oh, sorry. I'm getting to your house right now. So, can you come here? Oh, come here. Come. Here. Okay. So I'm gonna put this one here, right here. Guys, this is really cool, you know. Let me show you guys this toy here that she likes. It has a little hooks here that I think we can put another toy in here, which she... See? This is cool. She's very interested in her toys, huh? Do you like your toys? Do you like your toys? Mommy's getting new toys for Sunshine. Okay. One more to go. You guys can hear Aiko. She knows where I am right now. Okay, Sunshine. Hi, Sunshine. Let's do what, Sunshine? Hi. Hi. Can I get into your house? Oh, she loves this one here. Okay, sorry. Get it in! Yeah, I'll put it here, okay? Guys, if you like the setup that I just did in the cages, if you guys want to know any more information about the toys, just ask me in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please, because it means a lot to me that you guys are subscribing to my channel, okay? And if you have any questions, just don't forget to comment below, okay? Thank you, guys. What are you doing? Sunshine, what are you doing? Oh my God, Sunshine. What are you doing, Sunshine? Why are you trying to reach it? Sunshine! Oh my God. What are you doing, bro? Okay. All right, I won't move. I don't even know. I can't see what she's doing. What are you doing? Huh? Are you okay? Put this one here. this already? Okay, done. So I'm gonna have fun now for a few days. It won't last too long, but. Okay. Okay. I hold it. Let's come down, Liza. Mas, gente, guys, that's nothing. She's just screaming. Look. Do you want to go fly? Do you want to go fly? Do you want to go fly? Let's go fly. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Go, pessoal! Guys, we are like living the dream, I guess, with my birds right now in this house. It's just like that every day. They can take care, you know, they just can go out, get a fly, and come back and stay playing.